Hey, my name is Brittany, and in fall of 2022, I was the victim of a violent crime. If you want to know more about what happens to me, you can check out my first and third pinned videos. With being the victim of a violent crime, I did have to apply for crime victims compensation, and now I want to help other victims and their loved ones who may also be having to apply. Today, I want to talk about the state of Nevada and their Victims of Crime program. There wasn't really an about section, so we're just going to jump straight into eligibility. To be eligible for assistance, a person must be a victim of a violent crime in Nevada involving physical injury or threat of physical injury or death. Family members of a deceased victim of a crime may also be eligible. The crime must be reported to the police, Child Protective Services, or other law enforcement agency within 5 days of the crime, unless the victim is physically or mentally unable to file within 5 days. The application must be submitted to the VOCP within 2 years of the crime. Minor victims of SA, molestation, or pornography have until age 21 to file an application. Victims must cooperate fully with law enforcement during the investigation and prosecution of the crime. Also, a victim cannot have participated in or been involved in committing the crime. Applicants must cooperate with the VOCP. Applications are available in English and Spanish. Completed applications can be emailed to applications@voc-net.com. Compensable crimes include assault and battery, SA, domestic violence, physical abuse, child abuse, elder abuse, homicide, and drug trafficking. Covered expenses include hospital and ambulance bills, medical and dental treatment, mental health counseling, wage or income loss, funeral and burial expenses, loss of support for dependents of a deceased victim, emergency shelter and relocation costs, insurance co-payments, crime scene cleanup, medically necessary equipment such as a wheelchair, child care costs incurred because of the crime, vision prosthetics and eyeglass replacement, home health care, prescription medication, and home security repair. Award amounts. The VOCP can only reimburse crime-related expenses that are not covered by other sources. There are no limits on individual benefits, and no claim must exceed $35,000. Appeals. An applicant may appeal the denial by following the instructions in the determination. Appeal forms are available at this link here. The applicant should not appeal denial to prove a point, but only to establish eligibility under the VOCP laws and policies. There's a lot of information about appeals, so I'm going to insert the link here and in the caption, so be sure to check that out and read through it thoroughly. That is it for the state of Nevada. If you have any questions, please let me know, and please let me know what state you want me to do next. Bye.